4th grade, and welcome to Math for Today. Today we are going to be reviewing iLearn strategies and standards. So we are going to be taking iLearn in April, and these are some things that you will see. Today we're going to be looking over area and perimeter. Now, area is the inside of an object, and it measures how much space it takes up. Perimeter measures the outside of an object. So when you think of perimeter, I want you to think of a fence. So the inside would be how much grass, and the outside would be how much fence. Please go to your Edge Elastic today as we practice our area and perimeter. All right, let's begin with number 1. Please make sure that your notepad is open. Fatima wants to cover her sister's bedroom door with wrapping paper as a birthday surprise. The door is 7 feet tall and 3 feet wide. How many square feet of wrapping paper will she need to buy? Well, first I'm going to draw this out. I'm going to draw the door. And they said it's 7 feet tall, so that would be the length, and 3 feet wide, that would be the width. Remember, area is length times width. So to find the area, I'm going to have to multiply 3 times 7. I'm going to use the strategy of counting by 3 7 times. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more. 21. The area, the inside of the door, would be 21 square feet. Pause the video now if you need more time to write this out. Then click on the notepad and we'll write 21 for the square feet. Then click Next. For this next one, Susan drew a shaded rectangle on a grid as shown below. What is the area in square units of Susan's shaded rectangle? Show or explain how you got your answer. Now on iLearn, you'll have to type out how you got an answer for math. So we're going to practice that by using complete sentences. The first thing we need to do is click on our scratch pad. Click on your writing tool so we can count the length and the width. So how many squares down is the length? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write a 4. That is the length and the width. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The width is 6. Remember, to find the area, we multiply the length times the width. What is 6 times 4? Well, I count by 6 4 times. And I get 24. So now that I know the answer, the area is 24 square units. Remember, because area is always square units or squared inches, because we measure in squares. What is the area in square units of Susan's rectangle? Show or explain how you got your answer. So we're going to explain how we got our answer. Click on your scratch pad again to get rid of it so we can type. We first start by restating our question. Susan's shaded rectangle has an area of, so pause the video so you can type that out, 24 square inches. Then it says, I only answered this first question. What is the area in square inches? Now the second question. Show or explain how you got the answer. Well, I multiplied the length and the width to find the area. Pause the video now so you can type this out. This is how an iLearn math question should be answered. Go ahead and click Next. Now this next one you are going to do on your own. It's the same thing we just did. You're going to have to find the area and then explain why. Use a complete sentence to explain how you found the area. Pause the video now so you can complete that. Number 4. Remember, another way to find the area is to count the unit squares. So when we have a shape like this, we can count the squares to find the area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Choose the area, 15. We'll have to click back on the notepad and click on 15 square units. Then click Next. Number 5. Choose both number sentences that would work to find the area of this problem. I'm going to click on my notepad so I can get there. Sam has a sandbox that he loves to play in. The sandbox, I'm going to draw a sandbox. Go ahead and draw yours. The sandbox is 5 feet in length and 3 feet in width. What is the area of the sandbox? And it's telling me to choose both number sentences. The word both means that there will be more than one. That will tell me how I can get the correct answer. Well, I know area is length times width. So let's see if there's a problem that multiplies 5 times 3. 5 times 3, yep, C will be one of the answers. Is there another one that shows 5 times 3? Yeah, because we can multiply them both ways, 3 times 5 or 5 times 3. They will both get us the same answer. Is there any other sentence in there that shows us a fact family? Yes, 15 divided by 3 equals 5. That has all of the 3 numbers in our fact family. 15, 3, and 5. So that one is also a correct number sentence. So we're going to choose A, B, and C. Go ahead and choose those now. Moving on to number 6. Number 6 you will do on your own. Pause the video now and find the area. Number 7, we'll have to draw another picture. This one we are looking at perimeter. Perimeter, we add. I want you to think of that shape. Perimeter, we add. We do not multiply. Perimeter, we add all the sides. Perimeter, we add all the sides. So Mrs. Ninduri has 42 carpet squares. How should she arrange them so that they have the smallest perimeter? So I'm going to try out each one of these to see what the perimeter would be. So it says 21 by 2. Now when I'm finding the perimeter, I have to find the length of each side. Now the easy thing with rectangles is the opposite side is the same. So if this is 2, this is 2. If this is 21, this is 21. And then I can add them all together to see what I get. 2 plus 2 is 4. And I'll have to write out 21 plus 21. 21 plus 21. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 2 is 4. Go ahead and write that out. And then I'll add my 4 more from my other sides. So I'll get 46. And I'll write that right here so I can remember. The perimeter would be 46 squares, or lengths, I guess, lengths of the carpet. Click on the trash can and tap all of those out. All right, let's try the next one to see if that has a smaller perimeter. So we have another shape, and it's 14 by 3. So on perimeter, the opposite sides are the same. And with perimeter, we add all the sides. So first I'll add my 14 together. 14 plus 14. You can pause the video now if you need to catch up. Four plus 4 is 8, and 1 plus 1 is 2. Then I can add 3 and 3. Well, I know in my head 3 plus 3 is 6, so I'm just going to add 6 and make it easier for myself. And what is 28 plus 6? Well, that is 14, carry a 1, 3, 34. Wow, that one already has a much smaller perimeter. So I'm going to cross off A because that is not the answer.